This 2025 CrossRoads Hampton HP 395 BAM is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features a breezy beige interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV, leveling jacks, self-contained, skylight, awning, LP detector, oven, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Hampton HP 395 BAM is 12,168 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.